Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for MyPayNow account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in app.mypaynow.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Currently, MyPayNow service are only available in Australia. If you're not located in Australia, you won't be able to sign up and use their services. But if you do live in Australia, let's proceed. From the first interface, click on the Create Account button. Go through the information first, which will tell you you must be employed, you must be 18 years old or over, and you must have an open driver license, Medicare card, or an Australian passport to identify yourself. Click on Continue and then enter an email address you would like to register with. On the next field, enter a password for your security. Confirm the password by entering it once again and click on the next button. You may also go ahead and use the Google and Apple options at the bottom in order to sign up faster. Once clicking on the next button, you will need to enter more information about yourself. Start off by typing in your first name, select your gender, enter a mobile number and your address in the respective text boxes. Once you enter the information in the correct text boxes, if you've got a referral code with you, you can enter it right here in the text box. If you don't have one, you can skip this step and then click on the next button. Follow through the prompts till the end and provide necessary information along the way. You will need to connect your bank account to MyPayNow so that they can transfer your funds and you will be able to complete through the enrollment. So that is how you can easily sign up for MyPayNow. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.